how to enable Face ID on TD Bank app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipen, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable Face ID on TD Bank app. While the process itself is particularly simple, I'll just be guiding you through using this official support from td.com. Now, simply first open up and head into your profile and settings. Then enable Biometric Login, then confirm your biometric setup. Simply, as you can see, go to Profile and Settings and then select More from the navigation bar. Once you do so, you want to select Settings. Then you want to enable the Biometric Login. As you can see, Touch ID here. On the Profile and Settings screen, select your biometric option. On the Apple device, this will be either Touch ID or Face ID. On an Android device, this will be Biometrics. From this screen, you can review the biometric terms of use. Then close the biometrics terms of use by selecting the close icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select the toggle, switching it to the green enabled position. On an Apple device, this will be either Touch ID Login or Face ID Login. On an Android device, this will be Biometrics Login. Then confirm your biometric setup. You'll receive a message confirmation that Touch ID, Face ID or Android biometrics is now enabled. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.